green beans get the something something today on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic today with something really special. We're gonna give a bean casserole an update. It's all thanks to my dear friend, Kris. Kris, we love you and we thank you for sharing this recipe with us. Wait until you try it. Principal ingredient is beans. I'm using a combination of green and yellow beans, 2 pounds for this recipe. I like to trim away just the very top of the bean, the bit that would normally hang from the stalk. I love that little end curl on the beans. I think it's quite charming. Once we've trimmed our beans, they're going into a medium-sized pot with cold water to stove top, and we turn the stove to high. Now leave the beans as they are. The second they come to a boil, we're gonna do a 30-second countdown. At that 30 seconds, we strain our beans, and then we're gonna place them into a bowl of cold iced water, which is gonna stop the beans from cooking. We strain them again, and now we're gonna do a really nice little cut on each bean, probably about 1 inch long. And I love that little angle cut. It's very attractive. The green and yellow beans are ready to go. Here is the wonderful stuff of this recipe. I have a measuring cup with 2 cups of milk. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. I'm adding a heaping teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and then here we go, 1 package of leek soup mix. I'm using the Knorr version, it works perfectly. Add your soup mix in, stir those ingredients, set them to the side for a moment. We're bringing our beans back onto the work surface, and now we're adding an ingredient that really made me want to try this recipe. 1/2 cup of sliced green olives. Wait until you try it. We're adding our olives, adding our liquid ingredients, stir everything together. We're gonna pour this into an 8 by 11 casserole dish. We're gonna top with the usual, some breadcrumbs, probably about 1/4 cup. You can add more if you wish. Our oven is preheated to 375 degrees. Transfer the casserole dish into the oven. We're gonna bake for 40 minutes. At that 40-minute mark, it's gonna come out of the oven. The top is all kind of golden, but the inside is bubbling and it smells really fantastic, and you're just gonna wanna dig into it right away. When you go to dig into it, you're gonna take your spoon and kind of carve away a little bit of a helping. Check out how this sauce is clinging to those beans. It is really beautiful and very rich. I'm really enchanted by this recipe. I think it's quite fabulous. Thankfully, I have everything on this plate. Oh, there's one of those olives. I've got a couple of beans because I have to do a taste test, right? Hands down, best bean casserole you will ever make. Heartfelt thanks to Kris. Kris, we love you. Thank you for sharing this recipe. Looking for other wonderful things, why not head to weekendatthecottage.com. When you're there, subscribe to our website. After that, head to our dedicated YouTube channel. While you're there, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, click for notifications, drop us comments, and please give us thumbs up if you like this and any other videos on our channel. Finally, look for us on 1 or more of your favorite social media platforms using #WeekendAtTheCottage on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The ultimate side dish can be yours. All you have to do is follow Kris's lead and make this beautiful bean casserole. Come on back and visit again soon. Lots more great stuff coming at you soon. Take care. Beautiful.